Hello viewers, welcome to all of you once again. Uh, in this part, I am going to give you the syllabus for AIIMS exam 2020. AIIMS is All India Institute of Medical Sciences. This whole syllabus is meant for admission in MBBS course. Okay, now the syllabus of AIIMS comprises of biology, chemistry, physics, general knowledge, aptitude and the logical thinking. Now here you see biology, it will be 60 marks. Then chemistry 60 marks. And also physics 60 marks. General knowledge 10 marks. Aptitude and logical thinking will be 10 marks. Okay, so your total will be 200 marks and duration of examination will be 3.5 hours. And number of questions you'll get in the AIIMS exam will be 200 questions will be there. And now let's go to the marking scheme. This is very important for students appearing the AIIMS exam. You see, marking scheme, there will be each is correct question or each correct answer will carry 1 mark. And there will be deduction of the 1/3 marks for every incorrect answers. And languages of exam will be English and Hindi both. It's option to you. You can read, there is English also. You can read that and answer. And in Hindi also you can read and answer there. Okay. So let's start with the physics part. Okay. Physics part. So here, there number 1 will be electrostatic. Second, current electricity. Third, magnetic effect of current and magnetism. Then electromagnetic induction and alternating current. The electromagnetic waves, the optics will be there, dual nature of matter and radiation, and atoms and also nuclei, electric devices, the communication system will be there. And you have to study laws of motion, work energy and power, gravitation, gravitation. Okay, gravitation, then mechanism of solids and fluids, heat and thermodynamics, oscillation, waves. Okay, oscillation and waves up to that much. Then we go to chemistry part. See, chemistry part. Start with the solid states, then solutions, electrochemistry will be there. Then chemical kinetics, then surface chemistry, then general principles and the processes of isolation of elements. Okay. Then you have to also study S block elements, then the P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. Then there will be coordination compounds, haloalkanes and halorines, then alcohols, phenols and ethers. Then you have to study aldehydes, ketones and the carboxylic acids, then organic compounds containing nitrogen, then biomolecules, then the polymers, then chemistry in everyday life. Okay, then in the biology part, we have to study there. In biology part, you have to study diversity in the living world. That means the classification, systematics of animals and plants. You have to study all the systemic parts, like characters, all the phylums of the plants and animals. Then anatomy and physiology of plants, all the processes, anatomy, tissue, types of the tissue in plants, then physiology, like see physiology, this will be the photosynthesis will be there, respiration will be there, transpiration will be there. All these physiology parts of the plants you have to study. Then anatomy and physiology of animals, same way. Then you have to study cell structure and function. Then the reproduction in animals and plants both. And then genetics and evolution. And then biology in human welfare. Then biotechnology and its application, ecology and environment. This much you have to study for the AIIMS exam. Okay, AIIMS exam. Beside that, the logical thinking and aptitude will be there, and also the general knowledge will be there. Thank you very much for listening me about the syllabus of AIIMS exam. Then I want to request you that to get the syllabus of the JIPMER and NEET. Also, I request once again you to subscribe this channel. In the future, I am going to start the explanation of every chapter of the biology, both the botany and the zoology. So, if you subscribe today, in the future you get all the lessons, questions of all the lessons, and the ready-made explanations, all the lessons. So, viewers and students, once again I request you to please subscribe the channel, so that in the future you get a lot of answers, explanations of every chapter, every minute thing I'll explain in the channel. Thank you very much for viewing this and also listening me.